Iran actively offers its weapons to Russia and has brought almost everything except Shad 136 to the Armiya forum. It is known that not only Russian companies took part in the Armiya 2024 Forum Arms exhibition, which took place from August 12 to 14. Iran was presented with a fairly wide exposition. Photos of the Iranian samples of weapons have recently appeared on Russsian resources. It is known that some missiles and missile systems have long been in the Russian Federation's zone of interest. We are talking about Ababel, Armiya, FAT-360 and FAT-110 missiles. There was also a model of the Zeltsel artillery rocket, which was created in the 1990s on the basis of Soviet Luna-M. It is available in unguided and guided variants, with a range of up to 200 kilometers. The exhibition also featured a number of drones, including an FPV segment. In particular, the stand featured a sample of a kamikaze drone with a B1 index. It is equipped with a 2 kg anti-personnel or high-explosive warhead. The declared range is up to 12 kilometers, with flying time of up to 25 minutes. The drone is equipped with a 10x zoom camera. It should be noted that the second and larger drone, which is located nearby, may play the role of a repeater or can be a reconnaissance drone. Shad 136 kamikaze drone was shown at the exhibition under the name Jiran 2. The Iranians showed the Mohajer 6 reconnaissance and strike UAV that has been used by the Russian Federation since October 2022, as well as the Baver 5 long-range kamikaze drone, which is a variation of the Ababel 2. The Iranians also presented Russians the more powerful Mohajer 10 drone, which is a visual copy of the American MQ-9 Reaper. Kara drone was also noticed. This is not a new development, but based on the American MQ-107 Streaker target drone. It is known that Iranians turned it into a fighter drone in 2023. For this purpose, they installed missiles from the AT-08 Majid short-range air defense system that was also demonstrated at the exhibition. A separate segment of the exposition was occupied by radars made in Iran. The R-217 radar was demonstrated for the first time. In addition, the LRHR-500 early warning radar became a certain Iranian premiere. It operates at a frequency of 25 to 30 MHz, has the ability to detect stealthy aircraft, and is highly resistant to electronic warfare. The photos also show tires and landing gear for civilian aircraft. These were also developments that Iran offers to Russia. These products have been blocked by sanctions for many years. That is why Iran is trying to produce something on its own. Earlier Defense Express reported Russia had sent S-400 SAM systems and specialists to Iran to protect nuclear facilities.